Hi guys, so today we're having a look at a shampoo and conditioner from Bleach London. This is their Reincarnation range. I've already reviewed the hair mask from this and loved it. So when I saw that they brought out a shampoo and conditioner, I was excited. I picked these up on Beauty Bay. They're £12 each for 300ml, which is more than I would normally spend on shampoo. Sadly my conditioner had leaked a little bit, the cap was a little bit loose, but I don't think it was a huge amount, so it's still fine. So, what do they say on the bottle? Formulated with creatine, amino acids and hydrogenated castor oil to help keep your hair strong and looking its best. Suitable for everyday use. How does it work? Get brand new hair again and again with bond strengthening reincarnation shampoo, bond restoring reincarnation conditioner. So the shampoo, they're two different, I'm just going to read them. Developed to gently cleanse and help strengthen strands without weighing them down. It restores and maintains hair health with every wash. And then it goes into the ingredients actually, which is kind of interesting. Creatine reconnects damaged bonds to strengthen hair. Wheat microproteins soothe the scalp and form a shield around your tresses to help protect from daily stresses. Amino acid complex deeply nourishes hair, making it shiny and silky soft. Oh, and it's made from recycled and recyclable plastics, so that's cool. And then the conditioner is developed to help bolster weakened strands and moisturise hair, instantly detangles and nourishes from within to help maintain strength, elasticity and shine with every wash. And then it's the same ingredients. No, it isn't. It goes into the hydrogenated castor oil, which smooths and protects the hair cuticle for visibly healthy and moisturised hair. Okay, so cruelty free, vegan. I'm gonna get my hair like this now. Obviously my hair is pretty bleached, so stuff like this, kind of a good thing. It's harder to see now because I've got pale skin, but yeah, you can kind of see my hair is a bit on the edges. If I hold it like this, it kind of tufts out instead of just going down with gravity, and it doesn't all sit nicely together. So I'm going to go and wash my hair. I'm still going to pop in a heat protector before I blow dry it, and we'll come back and we'll see how this looks. My hair definitely needs wash though, you can see. I'll be right back. Right, just out the shower, and yeah, I apparently didn't rinse my mascara properly. Whoopsie. Anyway, just thought I would brush this through on camera. Smells amazing, like the conditioning treatment. My hair felt really silky. I'm not expecting to have any difficulty brushing this, but I kind of consider it part of the review, part of the performance, and yeah, it's going through absolutely fine. So, heat protectant wise, I'm just using the Revolution Bond Restore one. It's the only one I actually have at the moment. And yeah, so we're going to go and do that now. I'm not going to put any other products in my hair, and we will see how it looks when it's dry. Right, I'm back, and look how smooth it looks. I honestly just want to sit and run my hands through this, which is a bit weird. Yeah, so, it's so nice. I forgot to say as well, the actual experience of using it. Obviously, dead easy, it's got a pump. I would say kind of hold on to the bottom of it when you're trying to unlock the pump, or it will just like unscrew off the bottle. The pumps give out quite small amounts, so if you have short hair, you're fine. If you have long hair, you'll be there for a wee while. But I do feel like that stops me using quite as much product because it feels like I'm using too much, and I'll probably stop earlier than if I'm just squeezing it out of a bottle. And everything rinsed out nice and easily. So, this was the section that I kind of took as like a tester. I found something slightly better to use. So look how much like smoother and together, and just, you know, previously it looked almost statically, like it was repelling itself and pushing away, whereas now I've just got, you know, this much smoother, sleeker. I've got a dark patch there that I can't get rid of. Anyway, so yeah, I'm actually really happy. I would say it almost looks like I've ran a straightener through my hair and I haven't. It's just so smooth after using this shampoo and conditioner. So, oh, a little bit damp under there, that's fine. But yeah, I honestly just want to keep touching it. I'm going to use this again because it did talk about, you know, getting smoother and smoother with every wash. And I've got time. I'll have a hair wash scheduled before I need to be getting this video up, so we might as well see if it does get better than this, which would be really impressive. So I'll be back. Right, you can hear the shower in the background, it's heating up. I'm just doing a quick pre-second shower check-in to show, partly to show that the effects kind of hung about. So this is day 2, and the ends are still kind of smoother together. They're not quite as smooth as they were, but they're not as bad as they were either. So this is going to be my second use of the product to see if there is that cumulative effect that the bottles suggested. Right, so schedule went a bit mad, so I'm now doing an even longer test of this because why not? I'm about to use it for the 3rd time, and I just wanted to show you. So this is what my hair has been like after the kind of second use of it. So it's still, you know, it's still spread apart, but I don't think it's as drastic as it was at the beginning. You guys will be able to see clearer than me. I'm going to rewatch the footage before I film my final verdict. But yeah, I think it's looking pretty good, so I'm going to go and hop in the shower, use it a 3rd time, see how beautiful my hair ends up. Right, so that's me now used these for the 3rd time, and I wish I hadn't put this down sideways. So that's the dent I've made in the conditioner, that's the dent in the shampoo. So as usual, I would be replacing conditioner more often than shampoo, although you could work in the mask instead of the conditioner and it would probably kind of start to balance out. So, round 3 results. I still have the whole urge to stroke my hair. I haven't straightened this. This is just how smooth it is from blow drying. There's still a little bit of a kink on the bottom layer. I don't ever get rid of that unless I straighten my hair. Anyway, so this section that we've been kind of examining, so you can see there it's, you know, kind of drooping, it's got some movement back, it's not doing its weird staticky. This palette, it's got a brush in it. Like, why is there something loose in that palette? It's got a brush. So, performance wise, oh my god, love these. Price wise, so the thing with Bleach London is their prices normally get better as products get bigger. I know that's general across all brands, but for example, the silver shampoo, which I actually have, I believe a 250ml bottle is $6.50 and a 500ml one's like £9. So you're paying just about a third more for twice as much product. So it's like a really, you know, the step up is significant. It makes it far more worth it. So if they'd done that with these guys, I'd probably be really happy. That being said, I had a nosy just now and they're on offer on Look Fantastic already. £9.60 a bottle. On top of that, if you're buying them through Beauty Bay, you've got your Tribe points. They do a lot of offers. You can go through Top Cashback, which I always link down below, so that can kind of help you. And then if you save up your Tribe points, you can get £10 off. So there's going to be ways to bring the price down a little bit. And I would say if you have any kind of special events coming up and your hair is not at its best and you want some quite quick results, definitely recommend these, absolutely 100%. I'm pretty much going to buy them when I can, because honestly I can't describe how much I'm enjoying using these, and I still just love the scent of it. So if you've got any questions, leave those down below and I'll get back to you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.